Have you ever seen a weak plant start looking healthier just hours after a simple natural feeding? Today, I'll show you an easy organic mix that helps support stronger roots, greener leaves, and healthier growth using just three common ingredients. Take 1 liter of water and add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Stir well until it dissolves. Brown sugar feeds beneficial soil microbes, helping them break down nutrients that plants can absorb more easily. Next, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon helps keep the soil fresher by discouraging some fungal problems while supporting a healthier root zone. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Black pepper contains natural compounds that may help discourage certain soil pests and improve the overall growing environment when used in small amounts. Mix everything thoroughly and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Apply this solution directly around the base of your plants, using about 1 cup for small pots and a little more for larger plants. If any solution remains, lightly spray it onto the leaves during the early morning or evening. This gentle feeding helps refresh tired plants, supports healthier foliage, and encourages steady new growth over time. Use this fertilizer once every 2 weeks for the best results, and always avoid over-applying natural ingredients. Try this simple organic recipe and watch your plants come back to life with healthier, greener growth. Happy gardening!